Hello. Hello, it's about 2:30 on February 1st, 2021. How's everyone doing today? I'm working on two websites. One's for me, and the second one's for my business I want to start up. I'm not too worried about my business at the moment. However, I wanted to get my website up and going before I go back to school next week. I don't have a problem of getting a design aspect up and running. However, I'm having trouble of using Elementor with Gutenberg. They're both awesome piece of software that runs on WordPress. Anywho, what I'm trying to do is, here's my main page. Let me see if I can hop over. It'd be easier if I tell you. Come on, you could do it. There you go. And let me get out of the Elementor. My goal is not to buy Elementor. It's like $100 for free website. That's kind of ridiculous. I wouldn't mind to do 2 PC for $50 a year. So I'm gonna try it this way. Yep, and it's running pretty slow on my end today. Alrighty. Here's my themes. Let me see if I can. Here's my theme. I'm doing a sample page because I don't want to mess up my website. I got the home page done. I need to finish up some information. And I'm doing 3 posts. I just saved it into categories. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. I made 2 categories at the moment, and I'm going to make one for message and word for those who's giving the word out. I'm going to do MAW for short. Parent category none. And for description, I'm going to put down messages and to a. I'm gonna just write down. I can always add that later. Thankfully, they won't see that besides me. So I'm gonna add a new category. Good thing I could do is I could hit add and fix it right up later, but that's not what I'm having trouble. What I'm trying to do is I wanted to add, if I could open it, this awesome designing on my blog page. This is run in Elementor, and I know these guys are in Gutenberg. Let me see if I can pull up a page. Forgive me, my vision's not that best either, so please forgive me on that. I'm gonna just click here, then I'm going to add a page. so I can get this back. I don't care about that page at the moment. I'm going to hit all page. And see the sample page right here. My objective is I wanted to add the image. On the first page I showed you right here. Come on. And I wanted to be able to have a post. I really do not want to pay $100, but if I don't get any answer pretty soon, that's might be my next step. And two, I like Gutenberg much better than Elementor when it comes to posting. But when it comes to designing, Elementor wins hands down. I hope someone can help me, and I really don't want to pay the money at the moment. And if I get my business going, possibility, I would love to have Elementor Pro. Thank you for advance, and God bless.